Yes, but why do some people sneeze when stepping into bright sunlight in a sunny doorway or on a bright afternoon? This photic sneeze reflex happens when light irritates nerves near the optic and trigeminal pathways, triggering a sneeze. Researchers estimate it affects 10 to 30% of people and varies with genetics and light sensitivity. A quick home test facing a sunny window can reveal who experiences it and how intense the reaction feels. Understanding this quirky quirk keeps science playful while reminding viewers that the body sometimes acts on surprising prompts.